Faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. No camera, no studio, no on-screen personality. And the biggest reason? AI video generation. Today, tools like Sora AI are making it possible to create eye-catching cinematic YouTube videos in minutes, even if you've never edited a video in your life. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to create faceless YouTube videos quickly with Sora AI, why this works so well, and how creators are using it to build channels faster than ever. Let's get into it. Faceless channels remove the biggest barriers to starting YouTube. You don't need confidence on camera, perfect lighting, expensive gear acting skills. Instead, faceless channels focus on visuals, storytelling, information, emotion, and viewers care far more about what they're watching than who is on screen. That's why niches like AI motivation documentaries, finance history, futuristic tech storytelling are thriving without showing a face. Sora AI is a next-generation text-to-video AI that can generate realistic, cinematic video clips from simple prompts. Instead of searching stock footage or spending hours editing, Sora can generate original video scenes, create smooth camera movement, produce cinematic lighting, match mood and tone, generate visuals from text descriptions. You describe the scene. Sora creates the video. This is a massive advantage for faceless YouTube creators. Here's the simple workflow creators are using. Step 1. Choose a high-interest topic. Good faceless video topics include what the world will look like in 2050, how AI will replace jobs, the rise and fall of empires, hidden truths about money, future technology you won't believe. These topics rely on visuals and narration, not a personality. Step 2. Write a short voiceover script. You don't need a long script for every scene. Just break your video into short segments. Each section should describe a visual moment clearly. Example: a futuristic city at night, glowing neon lights, flying vehicles, cinematic atmosphere. That description becomes your Sora prompt. Step 3. Generate video clips with Sora AI. Paste your prompts into Sora AI and generate multiple short clips. Create scene transitions, establishing shots, close-ups, background visuals. Short clips work best, 5 to 10 seconds each. You're essentially building a cinematic puzzle. Even with AI-generated visuals, structure matters. Here's how to level up your faceless videos. 1. Use strong hooks. The first 5 seconds decide everything. Use lines like, "Everything you know about the future of work is wrong," or "This technology will change your life sooner than you think." Pair that with a dramatic, Sora-generated visual. 2. Match visuals to emotion. If the story is intense, use darker lighting. If it's inspiring, use brighter, uplifting scenes. Sora responds extremely well to emotional cues and prompts. 3. Keep scenes moving. Change visuals every 5 to 7 seconds. This keeps retention high and prevents boredom. You don't need to record your own voice. Most faceless creators use 11 Labs. Play.ht, other AI voice generators. Simply paste your script, choose a natural voice, and export the audio. Then place the voiceover over your Sora clips in a basic video editor. No advanced editing skills required. You can assemble everything using simple tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, even mobile editors. Add background music, subtle zooms, light transitions, captions if desired. The key is clarity, not over-editing. Traditional YouTube creation can take days. With Sora AI, you can generate visuals in minutes. Avoid stock footage, skip filming, skip retakes, skip complex animation. That's why some creators are posting daily faceless videos with high production value. Speed plus consistency wins on YouTube. Creators are using this method to earn through YouTube ad revenue, affiliate links, digital products, sponsorships, faceless automation channels, and because the videos are original, scalable, and visually unique, they stand out instantly. Faceless YouTube isn't about hiding. It's about focusing on ideas. And with tools like Sora AI, you no longer need a camera, a studio, or editing skills to compete at a high level. You just need a good idea, a clear script, and the willingness to start. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.